Hey friends, it's Gabby back here in front of you. Today I will be showing you guys my college decisions. I actually applied to 16 schools. So, let's go. Alright, folks. What the fudge? I got in. Oh my god, yay! I find it so unbelievable that I got into college. I find it crazy because I literally submitted my application 6 days ago. I applied on the 29th. Today is the 4th. I'm so happy, guys. I got in college. I'm going to college. I'm proud of myself for getting in. That means I worked really hard. I got in.
Congratulations, girl.
Leah. I got in Seton Hall. Hi.
Hello. Oh my god. Hi.
Ang bagal ng laptop ko. Sabi nila, wag mo nang tignan. Ayun na, oh my god, status update. Oh my god. Nag-load na ba? You're gonna be my eyes. Nag-load na? Oh no!
What?
It is with regret that I must inform you that we are unable to offer you admission to NYU this year. I got rejected! It's the next day after my rejection from my dream school. It's alright. I just got an email from Fordham. Please accept me. New updates to your application. Here we go. It has confetti! Oh my god! It is with great pleasure that I extend you an invitation to join Fordham University's Fordham College at Lincoln Center. See you in the next one. Today is December 20th and I just got back from work and I got an email saying that I got in Rutgers. Leo's hungry, so what do you say? Thank you. Yay! 4 out of 16 so far. Yay! Today is January 30th and my Ramapo decisions came out. I just got back from work, by the way. Whoa. Yay, I got in. So today is March 6th and I was in my internship when I saw a financial aid letter sent to me on my email. It was from Penn State and I went to check and I found out that I got in. Also, I just got a new laptop and as I was setting it up, I got an email from the new school. Congratulations on behalf of the admissions committee. I'm pleased to offer you a place at the new school. Oh my god, I got in the joint bachelor's master's program at their school. Yay! So today is March 10th. I just received an email from Pratt Institute about my decision. Oh, it's right here. Oh my god, I got accepted. Oh my god, wow. I'm kind of surprised because actually I was gonna be like a communication design major and then I switched it to writing. And honestly, I didn't think my writing was gonna be good enough to be accepted for a writing program. So, yay! I'm so happy. Hello, everyone. So, I just got mail from Marist College, and I think this is the admissions letter. I'm not sure. So, yeah. I was gonna show you guys my address by accident. After careful review of your application, Marist College, the admission committee is placing you on the wait list. This is the first time I've actually gotten into the wait list. I'm pretty satisfied by not getting rejected, so yay. Today is March 13th, Friday the 13th. And I just got an email saying that my status for Stevens is, I guess, updated. We're gonna look at that right now. We have, oh wait, I'm on the wait list. I'm impressed. This is my second wait list, but honestly, the major I applied to wasn't really my interest, so it kind of makes sense that I got waitlisted, but yeah, not bad. American University just sent me an email that my decision is now out, and I'm kind of scared. This is one of the 3 top choices of schools that I'm choosing between, I guess. I don't see where you're supposed to look at your decision. Oh, it's here, review. I'm waitlisted. I've been waitlisted 3 times. What does that mean? As such, we would like to offer you a spot on our waitlist as we are unable to offer you admission at this time. I mean, at least I didn't get rejected, so. Today's swarthmore, it's 8:05. It came out an hour ago. Apparently they don't send emails that it's updated. I'm kind of nervous. Alright, view update. Oh my god, I feel like I got rejected anyway. It says, I regret to inform you that we are not able to admit you to swarthmore. That was so fast. They did not sugarcoat this at all. At this point, I'm just waiting for a few more schools. I'm just hoping to get into at least like my top choices, but that's fine. I'm not super sad about it, but there we go. One more school onto the list. Hi, so I just got my decision from George Washington University. To be honest, I don't think I'm gonna get it, but we'll see. Your decision is ready. Oh my god, it's loading. Fancy. Rejected. Why is it doing that? It just keeps doing that. I'm so bothered. Maybe they're saying that I'm waitlisted. Is that it? Their website interface is really cute. What the? I didn't finish my financial aid for George Washington. That's my fault. I got waitlisted. Yeah. Okay. I mean, am I surprised? All of the ones that I applied to just waitlisted me. Very interesting. Let's wait for some more. Colby College just sent me an email, so we will look at their decision. This is my second to the last decision, and I'm kind of glad that it's almost over today. I feel like I got rejected. This isn't really my school. It says, unfortunately, we are not able to offer you admission to the college. That's fine. I honestly was expecting this. Plus, Maine is really far from New Jersey, so I'm not upset. But we're waiting for one more school, and I'm kind of scared, so I hope it's a W. Okay, guys. It is now 5:50 p.m. and I got my Barnard email saying that their status update is there. I feel like I got rejected. Yo, this is it. My last school too. It's all coming to an end after this. All right, let's go. News updates to your application. Oh my god, this is happening. Let's get this over with, Leo. And I'm rejected. Aww. That's okay. Oh well. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing where I got in and where I did it, where I got waitlisted. I actually got off the waitlist from Stevens today, so I guess I could count that as an acceptance as well. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you would like to see a stats video, I would be open to doing so just comment down below, I guess. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, and I hope you all keep growing. Bye!
And you're gonna be happy. It's all around, it's all brand new, it's zero, look